Bienvenidos, bienvenidos una vez más a IAMTRECE TV. Yo soy Lucho Dávila y hoy he salido en Forbes. Habrán visto que en las semanas pasadas he compartido tímidamente por aquí y por allá una que otra foto de esta sesión. Pues hoy puedo contarles por qué he hecho esa sesión. Hace unos meses la revista Forbes me ha hecho una entrevista sobre mi carrera y mi proyecto Fanesca. Si quieren saber más sobre el proyecto, dejaré el enlace en la descripción o pueden ver el vídeo de aquí. Y me han pedido un autorretrato en horizontal, pero como nunca disparo en horizontal, siempre en vertical, decidí hacer una sesión específicamente para Forbes. Y este ha sido el resultado.
Double and dabble a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so. Conscious. When I kiss you, I get a spark. Your body a work of art. Horny thoughts after dark. Used to stay up late to just talk. We was moving fast, trying not to get caught. Damn, your skin so soft. Let me open up your heart, cause life too short till death do its part. Knew it from the start, you be the one I'm pushing carts with. In the supermarket, you know I love the star shit. Took you to my crib, eating aki and some sawfish. Breakfast in the morning, making waffles and some sausage. Girl, you blow my mind like a Nintendo game cartridge. And when I'm not around, yeah, I think about you often. Sometimes I need my space, cause I don't like the force shit. Took you on vacation, had you swimming with the dolphins. Living in the barrel, now we got our own apartment. Used to be scared that somebody probably walking like, oh shit. Wait, planting flowers in your garden. I know y'all told you one day we'll be ballin', yeah. Other girls, they be swarming. I'm just trying to make sure that you all in. So tell me if you want it. Yeah, tell me if you want this. Yeah, tell me if you want it. Tell me if you want this. Yeah, tell me if you want it. Yeah, tell me if you want this.
From prom dates to calm days to trips that last a lifetime, to being on and off, feel like we really trying to buy time. From sneaking round state to state, driving in them white lines, to sharing our own bed, sleeping with you at the nighttime. Roof over our heads, you the queen inside this kingdom. Cooking with you in the kitchen, our song come on, then we sing one. Back and forth like ping pong, I'm in love with your wisdom. I always told you soon, cause to those who wait, good things come. So come right here, let me spin you round. This feels sincere, love, yeah. Like a souvenir, I'll cherish you, yeah. I'll cherish you, yeah. Under the chandelier, yeah. Girl, you're shining through, yeah. Treat it like a world premiere. Playing in that role while I'll lead you.
Esto ha sido todo por hoy, queridos amigos. Espero que hayan encontrado contenido de valor en este vídeo. Si es así, ya saben qué hacer. Pórtense bien, si se portan mal me invitan y nos vemos en el próximo vídeo. Adiós.